This video walks you through how to change invoice due dates in QuickBooks Online. Begin by opening QuickBooks Online and going to the Sales menu. From there, select Invoices to view your invoice list. This brings you to the area where all current and past invoices are stored. Find the invoice you want to update, then open it so the full invoice details appear on screen. Make sure you select the correct invoice before making any changes, especially if you have several invoices for the same customer or for similar amounts. Once the invoice is open, move to the due date field. Click directly into that field to activate it. You can then select the new due date you want to apply to this invoice. Depending on your QuickBooks Online layout, this may open a calendar for date selection or allow you to type the date in the field. Choose the updated due date carefully so it matches the payment terms you want reflected on the invoice. After changing the due date, take a moment to review the invoice before saving. Look at the updated due date first and confirm that it shows the correct day. Then scan the rest of the invoice details that are visible on the form. This includes the customer information, invoice date, line items, amounts, and any other fields you want to confirm before finalizing the update. The goal here is to make sure the due date change fits with the rest of the invoice and that nothing else appears out of place. When everything looks correct, save the change. QuickBooks Online will usually give you the option to click Save and Close or Review and Send. If you only need to update the record and return to your invoice list, choose Save and Close. If you want to continue directly into the sending process, choose Review and Send instead. Either option records the new due date, so the one you choose depends on what you want to do next. If needed, you can resend the invoice to your customer after the update. This is useful when the revised due date needs to be communicated clearly so the customer sees the new payment deadline on the most recent version of the invoice. If you selected Review and Send, continue through that screen and send the updated invoice from there. If you saved and closed first, reopen the invoice as needed and send the current version. Before sending, verify once more that the due date shown on the invoice matches the change you intended to make. The invoice due date has now been updated in QuickBooks Online, and the revised invoice can be sent to your customer if needed.